What if I told you that you could be becoming financially successful right now, and not even realize it? Because the biggest signs of financial success are often invisible. They don't show up in your bank account overnight, and they don't come with luxury cars or expensive watches. They begin quietly, deep inside your habits, your decisions, and your mindset. Hey everyone. Most people think financial success has a certain look. They imagine luxury cars, huge houses, designer clothes, and massive bank accounts. They believe that if they don't have those things yet, they're not successful. But the truth is very different. Real financial success usually grows in silence. In fact, some of the strongest signs that you're becoming financially successful are completely invisible. The first sign is peace of mind. You may not be wealthy yet, but money doesn't scare you the way it used to. You're not constantly stressed about every expense or losing sleep over every bill. You don't panic every time something unexpected happens. Instead, you feel more in control of your finances. That growing sense of stability is evidence that you're making progress. Another hidden sign is that you're starting to think long-term. Instead of asking yourself, what can I buy today? You're asking, how can I make my future better? Maybe you're saving money consistently, learning about investing, improving your financial habits, or developing new skills. That's how wealth really begins. It doesn't begin with money. It begins with mindset. The way you think about your future eventually shapes your financial reality. Another sign is that you're becoming intentional with your spending. You no longer feel the need to buy things just to impress other people. You understand that looking rich and becoming wealthy are two completely different things. Many people spend money to create the appearance of success, while truly successful people focus on creating security and freedom. Every time you choose saving over unnecessary spending or investing over impulse buying, you're quietly building a stronger financial future. Here's another piece of hidden evidence. Unexpected expenses still happen, but they no longer feel like the end of the world. A repair bill, a medical expense, or an emergency may still be frustrating, but it doesn't completely destroy your finances. You're becoming more prepared and more resilient. And financial resilience is one of the strongest indicators of future wealth because life will always bring surprises. Another hidden sign is patience. Most people want success overnight. They chase quick money, instant results, and shortcuts to wealth. But financially successful people understand something different. They know that wealth is usually built quietly through small, smart decisions repeated consistently over many years. Saving regularly, learning continuously, and making wise decisions may not seem exciting, but that's exactly how lasting wealth is created. Another sign is that you're investing in yourself. You're learning new skills, reading more books, improving your knowledge, and becoming more valuable as a person. Because your greatest asset isn't your car, your house, or even your bank account. Your greatest asset is you. The more valuable you become, the more opportunities you can create and the more income potential you can build over time. And perhaps the biggest sign of all is this: you're beginning to value freedom more than appearances. You care less about looking successful and more about having choices. The freedom to say no to things that don't align with your goals. The freedom to pursue opportunities when they appear. And the freedom to live life on your own terms. That's what financial success is really about. It's not just about having more money. It's about having more control over your time, your decisions, and your future. So if these signs describe you, don't underestimate your progress. Financial success often grows silently. Long before anyone else notices it, your habits are changing, your mindset is evolving, and your foundation is becoming stronger. And one day, what looks like an overnight success to everyone else will simply be the result of years of quiet progress. Thanks for watching this video on my channel, Mr. UB Finance Hub.